today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I think I'm going to go for something really natural. And so for today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you on, I think it's going to be a really simple look, nothing too crazy. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with some foundation. We're going to twist the foundation to get it open. Okay. I think this is my shade. Yes, this is my shade. Okay. We'll just apply a little bit to the cheeks and the mouth and the eyebrows. I just snorted. Huh? Okay, I think we might need a little bit more, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more on. On the nose, on the other cheek, all the way around. Yeah, we're gonna get really good coverage with this, I think. Okay, so we need to find a brush to blend that in. Okay. Oh, yeah, we got the good brush. Okay. So we're gonna use this brush. And we're gonna blend it in all over the face, on the eyes, and in the hair. Make sure you get it good and blended. You don't want any harsh lines. Yeah, make sure your eyebrows are completely covered. You don't want to see those. Okay. My eyes are watering a little. Oh yeah, then we're gonna pat it all in. Make sure we get it good in the pores. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go in with some powder. And a big powder brush. Okay, we got the, that's good. No peeking. Oh, my bobby pin's on in her hair. Okay. Just get a little bit of that brush and then blend it. Yeah. All over the face. Make sure you really cover those eyebrows. Oh yeah. We gotta cover the neck too. We want to blend it down the neck. No harsh lines, remember. Yeah, make sure you get all the hair blended in with it. And your teeth. We're gonna move on to liquid lipstick. Okay. We're gonna hold it for just a minute. Okay, really focus. Okay. Wave it around a little. Okay, we're gonna start with our cheeks. And then brush it all the way across. Oh, halfway across. Also our chin. We're gonna brush it onto our chin. Okay. Yep, we're really gonna focus on our chin and our nose. And our teeth. Oh. Okay. 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 Yeah. And that's it for lipstick. Okay. Okay. Wait. Wait. Let me see. I'm thinking. Okay. Now we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. Okay. And yes, this palette right here. We're gonna take those 4 shades, 5, 6 shades. We're just gonna sweep it all over the palette, and then keep the palette from your face, and then go in. Okay, all over the eyes and the eyebrows, under the eyes too. Make a good circle around your eyes. Yeah. Dig it in there. Okay, we're gonna go with them with new colors this time. Sweeping it all the way across. And then we're going to this eye, okay? On half the nose and the eyebrow, okay? And so on the side of the nose, under your eye, all the way around. Yes, all the way around the eyeball. Make sure we cover that whole eye socket. Okay, and that's it for eyeshadow. Now we're going to go in with. Okay, we're gonna go in with concealer, or okay, yeah, we're going with concealer. Okay, couldn't make up my mind between brow gel and concealer, but either one will work. Okay, we're gonna take the concealer from the corner of your eye and go all the way under your eye. Make sure you pick the darkest concealer that you can find, and make sure. Yes. Okay. On this side, we're gonna go with our cheeks instead of our under eye. We're gonna. Okay. No. Okay. I'm changing my mind. We're gonna use the hair too to brush it off, and your nose. We're gonna brush it under your nose. Okay. Yeah. Oh, and our chin. Okay. And our forehead. Make sure you darken the whole entire face with your concealer. Oh, and the top of your right eyebrow. Not both of them. Okay, and that's all for concealer. Oh, we're gonna blend it with our fingertips all over the face. Okay, blending it. Oh, yeah. Make sure you use your fingertips and blend it, and with everything else you've already put on your face. Just blend it all together with your hair too. Thank you. Okay. Oh, now we're going in with mascara. Okay. Oh, we're not gonna do mascara yet. We're gonna go in with a lip liner. Okay, we're gonna do. Okay, no lip liner. We're gonna do lip liner. Okay. Hold on, we're getting a little crazy over here. Okay. Okay, we're going in with a brush or another brush. Okay. We're gonna go in with lip liner. Okay. On to. Make sure you locate your lips on your face, on your own face, and we're gonna go way below your bottom lip. Okay, on your teeth too. Okay. Make sure you get it on your chin. I can't even open my mouth. Okay. Make sure you locate your lips. And then start just swiping. Just swipe it across your lips and your teeth. Okay. And that'll be it for a lip liner. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with mascara. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay. And we start at your cheekbone. No. Yep. And okay. 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 We start at your cheekbone and just swipe up. And just if you catch your lashes, starting at your cheekbone will really help to include all of your lashes and your eyebrow and your eyelid. Yes. Make sure you start at the cheekbone to make sure you don't miss any lashes or nose hairs. Nose hairs. Don't miss any nose hairs either. Okay. Yes. Yeah. And your eyelid. Make sure you cover your whole eyelid. And your eyebrows. You don't need brow gel. You just use mascara for the whole eye, for the cheek and everything. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Oh, and then blend. Make sure you blend. Blend everything. Yeah. No lines. We don't want any harsh lines. Okay, now we're gonna go in with some bronzer, and we're gonna pick up with the same brush we just used, and we're going to dab, dab, swirl, dab, swirl, dab, dab, and then we're gonna sweep it on our cheekbones or our under eyes. The whole cheek, just sweep it on your whole cheek and your hair, and make sure you get your hair in there too to help blend. Yeah, blend on your forehead. Just make sure you darken your whole entire face up. This is how you really get a good contour. Just put it all over your face and your neck. Always blend it down your neck and your sideburns. Okay. Yeah, make sure you really get those sideburns in your eyeball. Make sure you get your eyeball. Okay. Yeah, and your lips. Okay. Okay. You did. Okay, we're going to grab our lipstick, a really dark lipstick, and we're going to apply it. Don't roll it all the way up. Don't roll, just barely. Okay. No. Yeah. Don't roll it up at all. Just pretend to put your lipstick. Okay, roll it. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah. We're gonna roll it. Yes. We're going to start at the corner of. Start on your cheek. Just start on your cheek. Okay. Now we're gonna start. And make sure you get your chin. The lipstick should really go on your chin because we want to make fake lips, so we want to make it look like they're really big, that they take up your whole face. With your hair. Make sure you mix the hair in with it because you want to wear your hair on your lips. And your your teeth and your nose. It's all in the mouth. Oh, and we're gonna go in with another color. Yeah. Yes. This one only goes on your mustache area. Your upper lip. Okay, now we're gonna put it on the bottom lip too. And on your chin. And a little on your cheeks. Okay. We're gonna. Okay. Yeah, there we go. We got it. Okay, we got. Yeah! Okay. Oh, yep. Shake the setting spray. Okay. And to finish this off, we're gonna spray. Only on the right side of your face. Okay, no. Okay, yeah. Only, Okay, wait. Eventually you will cover your entire face with this. Okay, we got it. So, yeah. We gotta dry ourselves off. So this is the completed look. Super simple and super natural, I think. I think it's a really good look for an everyday, you know, going to work or school or something like that. So we're rocking. Okay. So, yeah, thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like this look, and, super cute, super natural. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and comment down below. And hit that post notification bell. Yes. Oh God, I keep snoring. Okay. Until next time, stay sweet, stay sassy, and always classy. That was so good. Okay, so this is my cousin Hannah. She was the arms in the video that you just saw. So, she was the lucky one to agree to do this video with me. And, oh, I have mascara all in my nostril. So how do you think you did?
Oh my gosh, it was awful. Fine, but it looked awful.
Yeah, so this is the kind of stuff that we used to do all the time. Because we were always together, so I think it was perfect that you were the one that did it.
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
Because we did stuff like this all the time, and if you can notice, we can't get through the video without laughing. And that's our normal.
Oh yeah.
All the time. So, thank you for doing this video with me and agreeing to the stuff that I get you into.
It was fun. It was a lot of fun.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe and like this video and give this video a thumbs up, and hit the post notification bell so that you are notified anytime I upload a video. And so until next time, stay sweet, stay sassy, and always classy. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.